Teaching is the one profession that creates all other profession. Hi everyone, I am Eugene Pañares, and my journey as a student has been profoundly shaped by the dedication of my teachers. Have you ever met someone whose words and action changed the way you saw yourself? Someone who believed in you even when you had doubts. That is the power of a great teacher, the ability to inspire, uplift, and shape the future. Teaching is not just a profession, it is a noble calling. Every day, teachers pour their hearts to their students, not only sharing knowledge but also nurturing confidence, resilience, and dreams. I have been fortunate to experience the unwavering support of a teacher who saw my potential even when I struggled to see it myself. Their words, "Kaya ra lagi na nimo, makalampos ra ka," became a beacon of hope reminding me that I was capable of achieving my dreams. One unforgettable moment stands out when I hesitated to take any responsibility, fearing failure. My teacher didn't just step back and watch. They guided me, encouraged me, and reassured me that I was capable than I believed. And then, they said something that changed everything for me. Ang ngayon na ka maging teacher. Those words were more than just encouragement. They were a spark that ignited my confidence and strengthened my resolve. Teachers, though more educate, they shape lives, build futures, and create lasting impact. They work tirelessly, sacrificing time and energy, yet they continue to give with open hearts. Their influence extends far beyond the classroom, touching lives in ways that cannot be measured. One book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the world. By Malala Yousafzai. To all teachers out there, thank you. Thank you for your patience, your kindness, and your unwavering belief in us. You are mentors, guides, and life changers. Your influence is eternal, and your impact is immeasurable. A teacher affects eternity. They can never tell where their influence stopped. By Henry Adams. Now, I have a question for you. Who is a teacher that changed your life? How did they impact you? They Take a moment to reflect and share your story in the link provided below.